Live ka.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. I'm John Mitch Hipolito, your Mr. So Pilipinas, Bulacan Province.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Ray John Paul Sabado, representing the province of Pangasinan.
So, hello everyone, I am Jason Lopez, your Mr. South Filipinas, province of Bataan.
Thank you so much. This is a
Good evening, everyone. I'm Christian Cardo de los Santos. I'm Mr. South Filipinas, Cavite.
Thank you so much.
Good evening everyone, I am Mark Malasigan, your Mistress of Filipinas, Nueva Ecija, Batangas.
Aside for the 12 Misters of Filipinas, and this, of course, is going to culminate at the coronation night on the 22nd. That is this Wednesday evening at SM North Skydome.
Here, 1, 2, Bulacan Province. Okay.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bulacan, Cavite, Lipa City, Batangas, Pangasinan, and Bataan.
Good evening everyone, I'm Jacob Kir Gomez, your Mr. South Filipinas, Tarlac Province.
Thank you so much, Mr. Tarlac Province, and our next candidate.
Good evening, everyone, and to my fellow Zampaleños just watching live. I am Hilbert Tamayo, your Mr. South Filipinas, Masinloc, Zambales.
Thank you so much.
Good evening everyone, I'm Cecilio Lucio, the municipality of Taguig.
Good evening, everyone. I am Iano Bautista, representing Quezon City.
Good evening everyone, my name is Calis Venezuela, your Mr. South Filipinas, Imus Cavite.
Wonderful. Once again, if you have not yet purchased your tickets for the coronation night, it is happening this Wednesday, October 22 at SM Skydome. There are 25 Misters of Filipinas for the 12 Misters of Filipinas. Thank you so much, gentlemen. And now let's proceed with our next Cebu.
Sorry, I have to adjust it in a way. Hello everybody, my name is Claude Pena, representing Cebu Province. Grateful to be here, thank you so much.
Good evening to every one of us. My name is Adrian Carlo Magan, and I will be representing the Oriental Province for Mr. South Filipinas 2025, and it's a pleasure that I'm here in front of you guys in the book. Enjoy!
Good evening everyone. My name is Miguel Gabiap, your Mr. South Filipinas from Zambales.
Thank you so much.
Good evening everyone, I'm Oliver Eugene Gretz from Mr. South Filipinas, Puerto Princesa, Palawan.
Thank you so much.
Good evening. My name is John Boy Portaje, your Mr. South Filipinas, San Fernando, La Union.
Thank you, Sis, for the 12 Misters of Filipinas who will be introducing themselves to us before we begin our dinner and, of course, the main event for this evening, the charity auction.
Here, decide. Here, 1, 2.
Hello everyone, I'm Ken Estacion, your Misters of Filipinas, the City of Manila, and I hope you're doing great today.
Thank you so much.
Good evening everyone, my name is GJ Carlos Baculipala, your Misters of Filipinas, Cagayan Province.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Jan Mico Escalino, Mr. South Filipinas, province of Nueva Ecija.
Good evening everyone, I am Carl Donseco, Misters of Filipinas, Los Baños, Laguna.
Alright.
Hello everyone, my name is Robert Asibayan, your Misters of Filipinas, Parayan City, Nueva Ecija.
And there you have it. Those are our introductions of the candidates for this year's Misters of Filipinas. Once again, coronation night is just about a day away. Just day after tomorrow, that is on Wednesday, October 22, is going to be the coronation night at SM North. It's a Sky Dome. Make sure that you get your tickets and tell your friends about it. Thank you so much.
Hi, good evening guys. I'm Krishna Yasser Rodriguez, your Mr. Soft, Pilipinas, Pampanga. And I'm just so glad to meet you guys.
Thank you so much.
Hello guys, I'm Gian Layuk from Mr. of Pilipinas, Laguna. And nice to meet you all po.
Thank you so much, Mr.
Madayaw ug maayong gabi sa inyo tanan. Good evening. I am Daniel Ganak, representing Davao City.
Thank you.
Mayong gabi sa tanan, and thank you for being here tonight. I'm Mauchi Tan Gabinete, your Mr. of Pilipinas, Rizal Province.
Thank you so much, Rizal Province.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am James Vasquez, your Mr. of Pilipinas, City of Binyan.
Thank you so much, Mr. of Pilipinas.